Automotives here at Eurofed. This here is my 1986 BMW 325i. 2JZ GE bottom end, rods, pistons build with a ported 1J GTE head, precision 6466 turbine, ID 1050X at fuel injectors to allow it to do all the boost that it does. It has a lot of chassis reinforcement to keep up with the power that it puts down, custom titanium intercooler piping and stainless intake for the turbo, rolling anti-lag. Just hit the horn button and shoot fire out of the hood. The rush of the turbo spooling and then the boost kicking in and then walking pretty high horsepower cars. Appreciate y'all for checking out my BMW E30, and I look forward to seeing y'all's cars when you bring them in to get some service done here at Eurofed.